Ing tutuking programa, mituringan niyang rated PG. Kailangan ing patnube at gabeding pengari para karing kayanakan amanalbe.
Kabalen, kakaluguran at kapatad, kumusta kayo po? Balwan niyo po at ikatantatalnan kayo ni kapatad. Na minsanita mo, these are some of the things we take for granted. At amo didinan pansin when in fact, nung lawen may kapatad, it takes real talent to come up with an artwork such as this one.
Lalo na ng miniature sa makanyang kapatad. Sometimes, we appreciate the art, but not the artist. Papansinan mo? Anyapin gagawan tamong dalan ing kakatamong programa. Bakit ta kilala ta ring artist sa reni, lalo na nung kapampangan ng
Ay, kapatad. Baka po yung balo ret ang commission work na ret ang gagamitan tamong magnet king ref kapatad na ating design. Baka ay po balo pala at masyado lakasanting. Impo lang artist behind this works kapatad.
Ito
yung kapampangan. Ayan.
Kapatad.
What a way to start the year kapatad.
Correct.
To start 2015.
Kakaba yung listahan tamo ring matenakang artists kini keng kakatamong lalawigang kapampangan.
Anya na ano pa pong gagawan nyo? Tuknangan nyo na pa yung obrayo, makyabe at tumutok keng manyaman na kwentuang kapampangan, uning baloy naman po, miyayaliwaman ng lupa,
Miyayaliwaman ng storya.
miyayaliwaman ng paninaw,
Pero metong muing dangalan,
panga, kapampangan, at manibatan mo yan po, keng kayabe yung misma, wakino,
Ati kayang tabe yung imamareyo man?
kini mo keng
Personalan! Kakaluguran, mama. Mo apansinan? O bala mo yatam kagigisangan, matenakang kakaluguran. Especially when it comes to the fine arts.
Ay
Apansinan
kapatad, I'm sure mag-agree rin kay katamong taga-Panalbe na pa magpatunay mo yan, na niya may salbag yung talento yung apong gino, rin kay ganaganang tao kay tika lalawigang Pampanga kapatad.
Sinalod lang.
Mandalala pan drum.
Anya nga pala, ating kep nga sa ludsuran kini Kempandan Angeles City kapatad, metong na namang matenakang artist. And he is a man wearing so many hats. Uling asneng karakala medium sa gagamitan.
At mag-excelya ken bawat medyo magagamitan.
Correct. Ala pong aliwan, Chok Soto. Hello,
Ayan.
Chok.
Hello
Sir
po.
Chok, kamusta po?
Ayun yun po, map naman.
Just one look, mama. Ala-
Balong artist niya kapatad.
Yes. His appearance gives himself away.
Ayan. So, Sir Chok, I'm sure rin kay katamong taga-Panalbe, burida nga balo nung ikitang tipong artist na sasabihan dang kempamong dayang manalaytay kay ka atin na kang penibatan kayong pamilya karitatang o kariapo karang dara. In your case, makantita ba na talagang
At subakin jeans,
At
yung
subakin
pang artist mo.
Palagay ako.
And
kang
kanino
father.
jeans?
Kang father, kang tatang.
Oh, okay. Aha.
During kasing pa siya magpainawa yo, mag-sketch yo.
That was when you were a small boy, akala ko
Yeah.
yan.
Wah, very young ko pa kanita, akait ko na.
pero aliway ni making kapanintunan ng tatang.
Aliya. So, yung gagawa na kasing tatang kaya carpentry kaya carpentry.
Oh, okay.
So, rin design na, yung drawing na lapa.
Aha.
Kahit kurinta. Aside from kitang patya magpainaw, mag-drawing yung tao.
Oh. Artist yan talaga, kapatad.
So,
Except that may linya yung furniture making.
O, artistry rin naman.
Of course. Oo.
So, buri na ba sabihan nini na magmula kang ballet, papuntaan niyang mag-aral na ka, bit mo itang pamag-drawing mo?
Correct.
Malami yata, kapatid. Napansin mo, hanggang kasabi tamong artists, alang may gumpisang late bloomers.
Oo.
Di ba? Talagang,
At a young age, balo
very young, itang seed, kumbaga ng talent, mita ng nakarela, anya pa mang malatila.
Pero pansin na mo na ba ito, Sir Chok, na compared ka rin, kaklase mo ka rin kaluguran mo, aliwala datang, mas masanting na talaga rin drawing mo. Papansinan mo.
Oo. Medyo.
And of course, I'm sure, yes, at positive na naman ang response na, you were a teacher's pet. Uling siguradong yung teacher mo, palang ikang utusan ng mag-drawing kang bulletin board.
Ay, wakapagal.
But, sometimes, that can work to your advantage.
Correct.
Uling, din kaya, tilang pagawa kaya ka.
Would you say na ating ang talent fee na kanita?
Ay, ala po. Ilang magkusa.
Okay. So, aliwa, may bibiyang presyo mo, but definitely, didinanda kang
Nani pakiramdam na nita, medyo bala mo, pwedeng pagkakitaan ini buri ko at the same time. Maanta na ba yung, at tinakandindaman, tita, na this is something na buri mo at the same time, medyo pa nakitan bagya.
Kay, maswelo ko na, kasi marine ako naman Anyan tayo manyawad ko. So, ilan na magkusa, kasi itang pupurian da, ito mo maswelo na ako Tapos sabi, nakagaling mo tong, walang papalakpak ko balog mo.
And you brought this until you were in high school. Yung
Opo.
kanya na talento. Okay. But, after high school, did you even think of getting into fine arts, kapatad? Again,
Sure course.
uling atsuna kaya ka, itang talento, atsuna kaya ka itang passion from way back when you were small hanggang kang high school ka. Linog ka ba kay fine arts?
Ali po.
Bakit? Others would say na ito yung peka masanteng a course sa Tukyan.
Wow, because you want to follow that career path.
Kasi niyang kay sabi ko, balang balo ko itang linya ngayon So, buri kong panag-aralan ng alwa.
So what course yung pinili mo?
Architecture, kasi designing yan naman.
Okay.
Di pinsan naman kapatid, no, may kanda yun.
May kamagana.
Besides, di ba, itang kanyang carpentry. So, medyo related yan mo rin kitang kinuha mo. Okay, so you took up architecture, pero not once did you forget about your passion. Even if mag-aral ka architecture, sindu mo pa rin yun ba? Yung kaya kang passion.
Ayaw po, kasi kanita, may ginaring sideline
While you were in school.
Opo, atin na magpa-drawing, atin itang project me, all about drawing, mag-reng ka klasiko. Pag drawing mo na ako, bayaran na ka mo.
Okay. That's
Nakita
good.
pati ng panakitan.
May ka point mo rin ba kayong pamag-aral mo kayong College of Architecture na uning very technical, yung approach na ng drawing kayong architecture.
Ating standards,
Ating
kapatid.
standards. So, was there a time na yung feeling mo bala mo malilimitahan yung kayong artistry?
Yeah, because kayong art naman, nung makananiya ka-traditional at ka-standard in architecture, makanta naman ka free-flowing at alang rules kayong art.
Opo, itang metong kong teacher, ot ko questionan na, didinan ko pa kanong kula-kula, o kulot-kulot na yung drawings ko. Which is, sabi ko naman, okay naman, nakasanting na naman, pero in grade sa bibihan na ka na ako kababa. Sabi ko, bala mo yata. Naman yata, kay kasanting na naman ako.
Bala mo magkamali ka.
Pero you were never discouraged? Kabe discouraged?
Ay, talagang pepalol ko pa mo rin nung nanuya ako.
Did you finish the course?
Eventually, may ka problemang bagya.
So you stopped.
Yeah.
Okay. So after stopping your schooling, when you stopped schooling, nanong career path ingikit mo? Belikan mo ba? Itang likwan mong passion mo?
Opo, naman pumila ko kasi ito bala mo ako magpainawa, bala mo kay bala nita ting magpagawa. So, i-father ko, total makanya na rin, kini ka, kunanda ka abroad,
Actually, abroad the father mo.
Kanita po, Pero beforehand, work ko ang ko Robert Odihar, which is a good artist also.
Installation artist.
Magaling nga rin, magaling.
Robert Odihar, again, one of the pillars of Pampanga Arts Guild.
Yes.
Tama?
Magaling niya po.
Of course.
So, may ba't ko rin kan shop na doing portraiture.
Portraiture naman.
And then, eventually, tatangkupin. May request siya na kini na kamo.
Abroad.
Kaya,
And what did you do abroad?
kaya ko pong advertising.
Okay. So, may hone ka talaga.
Opo. May gagawa kang road signs and paintings and all. Basta, nanong requirements na ning metong kliyente. Like, ginawa ko pang 8 by 8 feet faces of shakes. Datang shake ka rin, datang manimuno.
Shakes.
Then, mga regular lupa then
Wala mo murals la.
Opo, backlighted la kanyan. So, ito yung challenge ka rin, backlighted la pa.
Sir Choki, ako buring ikot ang ini Kasi from elementary to high school to college, you felt na magaling ka compared ka rin kaklase mo. You may not, mo man amin na ikimpe ka magaling, definitely abe ka rin mga galing.
Of course.
Anyang miras na ka kay aliwang bansa. You are now one of the fish in an ocean, in a big body of water. Naning pakiramdam, realize mo ba na agyo mong makasabi, medyo mitatawli ka, or agyo mo talagang maglakon tatak?
Honestly, guy, penandaman ko, agyo ko. Ako man penandaman tang insecure ko.
Saudi?
UAE.
UAE. Okay. So, nino rin kaya be mo? Foreigners la?
Foreigners, Filipinos. Samot-samot kami.
And you felt na
Agyo mo.
Opo, ako man penandaman tang balam, kabado ko.
or matitihado ka
Relax ko mo, ning balo ko. At yung kay ko
at yung daya mo talaga. At talaga.
Naning challenge kay what would you think kanya magumpisa ka would be the biggest challenge na nga kay UAE?
Challenge? Ala kong masyadong isipan kanita. So, bala mo free flow balang naandatang
Makafocus ka.
harapan kita, nananyo man ta.
You give it your best.
Yes, makantaya po.
That's kapatad. In and out. O yan yung makanyang attitude din artist naman Ala kong ikit artist na masyado. Laandang masyadong makakahon. Yung biera. Ala. As in, pati artist they're always out of the box. They're always thinking out of the box. Just like Chok Soto.
Balang yata ang datang bagay karela, opportunity to grow, to shine as an artist.
Correct. At saka ala karela itang mumuna panakitan. Mumuna pa mo itang magkaswelo lang gagawan din. Uli nga kita mo. Kaya next segment kapatid. Akaya niya. He is a one of a kind artist. Usually din aliwang artist makafocus lamang kay one medium. Iya, multiple mediums. Kaya,
Buring-buri ko nga bali yan kapatid. Na kayo po Maglipat Channel, magbalik ka pa rin po yung Miss Mawaki, no?
Mama Ray Yuma?
Kenny Muke, personalan!